Hello everyone. This video presented by Manisha. Let's start the topic. The topic is phishing attacking ethical hacking. First we will see the what is phishing. Phishing is the practices of delivering fake message that appears to come from a trusted source. It is normally done by email. The purpose is to steal the sensitive data like credit card number and login information or to install of victim's computer. Phishing has four type of phishings. Next we will see the phishing types. Phishing types are email phishing, spear phishing, whaling and wishing. First, we will see the email phishing. The most common form of phishing is email phishing. An attacker attempts to obtain sensitive information from the victim in this case. The information is used by attackers to steal money or to launch other attacks. Email phishing is an email from a bank asking you to click a link and verify your details. Next, we will see the spear phishing. The spear phishing is the instance of a large group of people. Spear phishing targets specific individuals. Attackers frequently conduct victim research on social media and other websites. This allows them to personalize their conversation and appears more genius. Spear phishing is frequently used as the first step in branching a complete company security and carry out the targeted assaults. Next, we will see the whaling. Whaling is the when attackers go after a big fish like a CEO. These attackers frequently spend a significant amount of time profiling the target in order to find the best time and method of stealing the login information. Whaling is of particular concern because high-level executives have access to wealth of company information. Next, we will see the wishing. Wishing like phishing direct consumers to a false website that looks to be authentic. In this situation, through users are routed to the phony site without even clicking a malicious link. Even if the right URL is entered in, attackers can infect the user's machines or the website's DNS server and redirect the user to phony site. That is example. Next, we will see the how to prevent phishing attack. First of all, everyone need to know the what is phishing and how it is going. Second one is don't click a fake links. Third one is get free anti-phishing ads. Fourth one is don't give your information to an unsecured sites. Fifth one is update your password regularly. Sixth one is don't ignore these updates. Seventh one is install firewalls. Eighth one is don't be tempted by those pop-ups. Ninth one is don't give out important information unless you must. Tenth one is have a data security platform to spot signs of an attack. Thank you.